The IET Wiring Regulations BS 7671 are evolving, and your expertise is crucial. This is your chance to influence the future of electrical design in the UK. The draft for public consultation is open until November the 3rd, 2024. Your insights could make a real difference.
Becoming registered on the BSI Standards Development Portal has never been easier. You can make your comments heard and submit your proposals for changes to the wiring regulations. To begin the process, simply type into a Google search BSI Standards Development. You will then see a series of links coming up. The first link should be the correct one to choose. Once you're in there, choose Register and then Register Me. Once you've entered your email address and your chosen password for your BSI account, you will be brought to a page where you have to enter some basic personal details. Once you've entered your name and some other personal details, then you'll see a section that says Further Information. The only part of this that's mandatory is your job title. The other areas are optional. Once you've entered your personal details, choose your marketing preferences. Then there's the terms and conditions. It's advisable that these should be read. Tick the box to confirm that you've read them, and then you have the privacy notice, which also requires you to tick the box. And that's it, simple. Click register and you're on your way. As with any registration system nowadays, you need to verify that you're not a robot. So therefore, open the email that's been sent to you by BSI to verify and activate your account. Once you've clicked the link to activate your account, you will be provided another link to go back to the BSI homepage. Now you're back to the BSI homepage, choose the login option from the BSI homepage. Provide the email address and password that you chose when you registered your account and log in. Once you've logged in, there should be a page displaying a search box. Of course, this is all focused around BS 7671, the wiring regulations, so therefore, in the search box, type 7671. Now you will see 4 sections associated with BS 7671. These have been split into 4 sections for your convenience and for commenting. In this example, let's choose Section 1. After selecting Section 1, you will see various options. The one that we need to focus on for commenting is the Read Draft and Comment at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. After selecting Read Draft and Comment, you will now see the content of the draft for public consultation of BS 7671. Once you have selected the link, you will see an option to view comments already submitted by other commenters. There is a box below which allows you to add your own comment. And below that, there is another box called Proposed Changes. Now this box is very important. If there are no proposed changes, then it is unlikely that your comment will be reviewed by the technical committee. Once you have added your comment and included your proposed change, then you must choose the comment type. Now this can be general, editorial, or technical. After you have selected the comment type, you have 3 options. You can discard the comment, you can save it to come back and do some more work on later, or you can submit the comment. After submitting your comment, provided it meets the rules and requirements for the commenting process, it will be made public on the BSI system. When the DPC period closes on the 3rd of November, your comments will be made available to the technical committee for consideration.
Every comment counts. Together, we can enhance standards to meet the needs of our industry. Ready to contribute? Head to the BSI portal today and be part of the change. Your input matters.